Our lab is called the Laboratory of Magneto-optical Spectroscopy, and in this lab we measure the optical response to small magnetic fields, and the materials we're interested in are photovoltaic materials or solar energy materials. Optical component which wiggles the polarization of the light, and then we bring it through a sample that stands in between two magnets, and then we can measure the polarization changes as it goes through. We hope that we will use these measurements to understand more about how solar energy is converted to electricity. We use the lab to make measurements on solar active materials in small magnetic fields, and we hope that these measurements will reveal many more details about these materials than you can get from other spectroscopies. And we have graduate students and undergraduates from all over the country and all over the world that work in these labs to make these measurements. One of the things we're very excited about our facilities in PAÍS is that we now have as far as we understand, the only lab in the world that can make these types of measurements from the femtosecond time scale to CW. So that's just continuous wave like a laser pointer. And we recently received funding from the National Science Foundation to continue that work. Part of that work was originally to develop this instrumentation, and now we'll use it to make measurements on these solar materials. One of the things that the PAÍS space allows us to do is it's the climate control and the power that is available in the building is just much greater than what we had in some of the other buildings that have an older construction date. It feels great, right, that you have this brand new facility where the floors are clean and the electricity is new and the building construction is new, and yeah, you feel proud that you're able to contribute. The students are going to get training in some cutting edge instrumentation, and we're going to work on frontier materials, and they will learn skills and learn techniques and theories about how these work, which will better prepare them for employment later, whether it's here in the state or elsewhere.